The fact that this candle didn't close below here is kind of worrying for me. Yeah, it didn't full close below. It full close below here, but ain't really so much matter as it full close below here. So watching it, so really and truly watching it. We're having a further push. We're almost at take back. Bro, you see what I say about like this chart? Listening to you when you say shit out loud, right? We was just about to hit it, but no, I had to say something. Alright, and we just hit take profit. It's just an extra step more, making trading more hard, you know, because on my personal accounts where I don't give y'all regular updates of my balance, I perform better, like far better. I had 400 and something % gain in August, bro, and I start this same funded challenge in August, but somehow. Welcome back to another video. But hold on, before we get into this, like, are you good? Like, you watching this, is everything okay besides the chart, right? Everything good? Like, good. So I hope you said yes, because if not, I look like a bad friend. But we back again at it. This is the same day for those who watched the previous video, new day for those who didn't, and we're in a trade from right key. Just so let me open up the camera and give you guys the rundown. It's not based off of the 1 minute, so don't think I'm going against my rules, but I did get a valid entry on the 1 minute. This is actually where take profit 1 is 19,470 and take profit 2 at 19,440. Let me see if I can just pull this up on the charts real quick. We send this one out to the community as well, so enter the trades. You guys see? I see. Oh, y'all still catching me. That's right. Hopefully, that's the account balance. That's the trade that's going on right now, and I'm in this one on all of the other accounts as well. Honestly, I ain't able to scroll through for show y'all. I just can show y'all it on the funded account if it would freaking load. I'm also exporting a video right now, so the computer might, you know, bitch a little. Oh boy, is this price gonna come back now? What is it gonna do? Still trying to hold. I don't think this is a liquidity grab unless we're in consolidating market and the news is gonna come out or something and push the price back in the opposite direction. I don't know. I was telling y'all the computer can bitch when I export it and trying to do all this stuff. The fact that this candle didn't close below here is kind of worrying for me. Yeah, it didn't full close below. It full close below here, but ain't really so much matter as it full close below here. So watching it, so really interested watching it. Oh, that's why my take profit was there, because on the 3 minute there's actually a fair value gap beginning right at 19,482. I'd say 19,483 just to be on the safe side. So 19,482 would still be a nice one to two, right? So let's leave this here as take profit 1 and watch to see how price reacts at this point. Once we get to that point, then I'll know whether I would like to close the trade or keep it running for a little bit longer. But yeah, we're still inside this one. Really and truly trying to get funded next or any other website to load right now, but we're having a further push. We're almost at take back. Bro, you see what I say about like this chart? Listening to you when you say shit out loud, right? We was just about to hit it, but no, I had to say something. Alright, and we just hit take profit, and we're still pushing further. It looks like an impulsive move, but I don't want to be greedy, so I'm gonna just close off with that 2 something for the day, 213. That's beautiful. Now it's time to close manually on all the other accounts as well. I can just show y'all the profit when I'm done rather than hovering me profit in front of y'all and this price tech all. Alright, so funded next, and Forex Factory is bitching for some reason or the other, but I like this price action that's forming right now. If I'm being honest with you, it's good enough to enter another position to sell, and maybe I could actually aim for the 19,438. I can actually enter with reduced risk, and the percent that I would risk would probably 10% the profit that I just made, which is a good, you know, amount to me, just for the sake of, you know, actually having some skin in the trade. Yeah, just like 10 or 11% of the profit that I just made, not the overall account. So I have skin in there. It's obviously reduce the risk, and it's possible I can make a good $40, $50 even from this trade here. Good idea, but let's see, you know. All right, yeah, so first position here. Now second position will be, hey geez, what the fuck. Good. Actually I got it a little bit low, like right there. I just want to hold and see if we can get to this bottom, you know. It's possible that we go here, right, but I just want to see if we could actually get to this bottom right here at 19,437. Yeah, and that would be it. If I take this L, that's cool. It's 10% of the profit that I just make. It's still a very profitable day. If I take that L, that's cool. It's still a very profitable day. So yeah, as long as funded next, you know, pop back up and start functioning, probably when this video finished up, exporting it just finished. But yeah, I can cut the video and come back and give you guys the update on the account. Something I've been considering, to be honest, because I follow a few other YouTubers that are sharing their journey as well and documenting their whole. And something I noticed is that, like, of the YouTubers that I, you know, follow and subscribe to, they're, for the few of them who post their account balance and give like regular updates like that, it seems more difficult for them to stay consistent and just keep making profit. And for those who don't show their account balance, it's like they're far more consistent. Yes, it's, you could argue that the persons who not showing their account balance ain't showing the losses, so to you they're going to appear consistent. But at the same time, how we would be able to like tell? Like, you can't see the person history, because then you would be seeing account balance as well. I could show you me history but not the account balance. Yeah, if you see the person history, then you would know they had losses as well. And I would be showing you the losses that I take, but I won't be showing my account balance. It's like a mental pressure as well, being on you, the person that's sharing their journey and everything. There's a lot of criticism, there's a lot of second guessing. I know you're hearing the plane in the background, but I said from now on I ain't gonna cutting out them nice, so yeah. And it's just an extra step more, making trading more hard, you know, because on my personal accounts, where I don't give y'all regular updates of my balance, I perform better, like far better. I had 400 and something % gain in August, bro, and I start this same funded challenge in August, but somehow I don't have the same returns. I don't see the same growth. I mean, the rules are different, so I have to obviously risk less sometimes. So during the trades where I lose a regular amount and I want to increase risk because the distance in pip is not as large, so I would be able to risk something like 20% on my personal account, but I can't do that on the prop firm account. So when I recover fully on the personal account, it's different on the prop firm, which is understandable. So, but I still believe that it's a lot of pressure sharing the account balance while trying to grow an account, or even trying to, you know, pass a challenge or anything, trading your personal funds even. And there are a lot of trusted YouTubers. Yes, they get people scamming and people faking results and stuff like that, but if I could still be as transparent as possible without like leaving any room for doubt or anything on the table, just not showing the account balance and giving you enough reason, and you work with that and you still fuck with your boy, then hey, respect. Obviously occasionally I'll have to give you an update as to where we are from where we last were, but just not in every video, so I don't feel like there's this, you know, lingering eye over my account balance or something. But this one here for sure look like a L. I don't know if on the next is gonna allow me to log in. Alright, the video finished export. Let me see. Nope, still bitching. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this off now and come back in and give you guys the update on both this trade and where we are in terms of percentage wise on the account. Might just show you the balance to it in there right there. You know how I did it, but yeah. I'm come back in and check it.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.